Tēnā koutou e te whānau, nau mai haere mai, because today we're going to be talking about passives in the command form. Tirohia. Now I don't know about you, but when I see this, I see a whole lot of long words and it can appear quite overwhelming. However, hang in there because I'm going to give a tip which is going to cement these passive words in the pīnati. Hang in there. So, in a nutshell, what does a passive sentence look like? Well, the best way I can think of is to give an example in te reo Pākehā, and that would be, let's use hangaia for example. Hanga means build, to build. So you would say, in te reo Pākehā, that boy built the house. But let's turn that into a passive sentence. We're going to add a fiore, a tail, and turn it into hangaia. So in te reo Pākehā, you would say, that house was built by the boy. Once again, that boy built the house. Let's take the focus off of the boy and put the focus on the house. Hence a passive sentence. That house was built by the boy. But that's not important. Don't worry if you haven't mastered that. What's important is that we master and remember the passive words. Let's get cracking. Tekina, tekina, which means to fetch. Hangaia, to build. Whakahokia, to return. Whiua, whiua, to throw. Tūria, to stand. Horoia, to wash. Waihotia is to place or to leave something. Tangohia is to remove or to take away. Now, there's many meanings for that, but that's the one we're going to stick to today. And finally, tirohia, I said it before, tirohia, to look. Alrighty, what's the tip? This is the tip. As soon as I pull it out, half of you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Rākau. Rākau. Now, the new word, the kupu hou for today is kirihou. Kirihou, plastic. Ngā rākau kirihou. They come in all shapes and sizes and colours. You can get them cheap at the warehouse or the toy store. But how are these going to help us with these? I'm going to show you shortly. It's better played with two people, so bear with me. It's just koau anake. But let's head over there now and see how these can help us with these. Let's go! Alrighty. Tekina te rākau kōwhai. Tekina ngā rākau kikorangi. Hangaia tētahi whare. Whakahokia ngā rākau. Tekina te rākau karaka. Tūria te rākau. Whiua te rākau. Tekina ngā rākau kahurangi. Waihotia ngā rākau. Tekina te rākau kōwhai. Horoia te rākau. Whakahokia ngā rākau. Hangaia he tapa whā. hangaia he porohita. Waihotia te tapawhā, whakahokia te porohita. Ka rawe, pēhea tērā. Ka pai tērā, ka rawe. Hey, it's no frills alright, but I didn't promise you anything fancy. But I've said it time and time again. What better way to learn te reo Māori than to go back to basics and keep it as simple as possible. And if it takes some kids' toys or some rākau kirihou, then if that's what it's going to take to cement these words and to have fun along the way, then I'm up for it. Ka rawe, e hoa mā kia pai tō rā, a kia pai tō wiki. Hei kōna!